And just like that, we did enter our trade here. The reason for that is that we are high in Bollinger Band, and you can see here we are above the 70 line with stochastic. That's a trade for me. But as always, we will prepare if it's a loser. So we prepare with 200 so we can recover. But most of the time, this type of things works on the first try. So let's now wait. We have more 20 seconds. We don't count our profit before we reach there. But seems like we get $85. So I think we can just, I will wait. Also, while we are waiting, below the video you find link to this exact broker. This broker works worldwide and you can get started today also. So there we did earn 85. Let's find one more trade. Maybe we just go in again. Yeah, we're going there. So we take the trade one more time. Nothing like two fast trades with two winners in a row. Let's see. Now you can see maybe we will break the resistance point there now. But if so, we just go in again. So I'm not so worried about it. With the binary and forex and everything is money management. And emotions and money management is the reason most people are losing. So that's the thing you need to learn more than anything is money management and emotions. Emotions is actually the most dangerous thing you have in forex and binary. So now let's see, we are prepared. Okay, we lost, but we go in again. So then we take 400 on the next. So now we need to wait more 52 seconds. Like I said, it's a possibility that you can break resistance. Then you might lose two in a row after. So now let's see, because now the market will fly up for a little while till we reach a certain point and then will drop. So when you first get a loose, you can also choose not to do martingale like I do, because the win rate is good enough by itself. So that's something you keep in mind. I do martingale because I'm used to it, but you can do without. So now that we are preparing, if this is a loser also, I think we have reached some type of a top there now. Now the question is if this will be a loser or we need to go in again. Let's see, we go in there. We were a little late. Completely okay. Now let's see. Like you can see, when you break a resistance, we can see where basically what we could have done. We could have, yeah, we can see that we have some type of resistance there. So I think we have the top. Now, I will do something I typically should not do, but we will enter there. Just because I know this trade below will be a loser, but it's a big chance this will be a winner. So now we are prepared again. Now let's see. You should not do this, by the way. Never go in with a trade before one trade is done. It's only because I did see the left side now, because you always get clue to your left. See in the past, what happened in the past, and then you get much information about what will happen in the future also. So now we did get the loser, but we get a good entry. So now we need to wait 48 seconds. I think this should be a top. Now we should see some type of movement a little down and maybe have a continuation up. Let's just wait and see. Now we need to wait more 26 seconds. And even if this is a loser, we are prepared. But the entry was quite good, so I think we'll be good. And there we got it. Yeah. So then let's calculate what type of profit we made. So you can see we got 3 losers here now. The reason for that is when we first break a support or resistance, we typically get a big move up. Another thing you can do is to wait till you get your first red bar and then go in on next, because then you have a little safer entry. But I don't do that because I have so much to go on, so I'm not too worried about it because I know that will turn. But also you can do without martingale also, that's a way you can do it. But now let's calculate the profit, that's the most fun thing we do. So, first trade we got $85. Then we take minus 100, minus 200, minus 400, minus 800, plus 1,480. Did you earn only $65? Can that be correct? Let me calculate again. If that's the case, you need to trade more. Did earn 8. Let me just take this last trade first now. 800 plus 400 plus 200 plus 100. Okay, we lost basically $20 on the last trade. Then we need to trade more. We can't stop with so little. Then we do a little more trading. Let's wait and see. We go in there. 220. Let's do a little more on each up. So now we need to wait 52 seconds. Like I said, below the video you find a link to this broker. You can start with as little as $10. Now let's see, 10 seconds, looks like we might have a loser. Then we do 500 on the next. This was actually, the market is now trending. It's if I need to do one more trade later, I think I will not do on this one, because you can see now, if you see here now, if you've seen the stochastic is flat in the top, and it's not a market that is super good to be trading. So something to keep in mind in it, that if you see something like this, might maybe even be better to stop, because it's difficult to trade a market like this. Of course, I don't know, I'm not so smart, so I will continue, but you should stop in a market like this. Like this, because you can see this just continuation from up, right? It's, see this, it's the market is crazy. Christmas time is not a good time to be trading. Let's go in there and there. So now we just need to wait. So you see all these losers there. It's, the market is absolutely crazy right now. Absolutely crazy. It's amazing. So now we just need to wait 48 seconds. And then we need to do a calculation again, how to see how we did. But yes, the market is very strange now in the Christmas time, I can say that. But this I will not trade more today. It's too trendy. I like when go up, down. That's what it's the easiest to trade. So now we need to wait more 10 seconds. Looks like we have a winner, by the way. So then we can do some more calculations. Yeah, let's reset this to 100 if we need to trade more. Now let's see how we have done today. Let me see how far back we go. Yeah, it's there. So then as normal, I take the numbers at the left side and then I calculate with the right side after. So then we have minus 100, minus 100, minus 200, minus 400, minus 800, minus 100. Let's go a little up. Minus 200, minus 600, minus 500, minus 600. So total cost is 3,600. Now let's take all the plus numbers, starting from here, plus 185, plus 1,480, plus 1,032, plus 1,032. So you made 129. Let's do a little more trading, but not on this one. Let's see if we can find something that looks a little better. Let's look at this one. This is something I like much more. We are moving a little more up and down. Now we go for this type of things. Let's see here. Here we might have a trade pretty soon. We can see we are close to our resistance point. I would prefer a little more down. One more push down. Let's see. There, we take it. Let's prepare. If a loser, we go in with 220. But yes, this is not my day. We are not doing a so good win rate, I need to admit. I'm not earning so fast like I normally do. But okay, we wait more. 11 seconds. Actually, maybe this will be a winner. Then we can stop for the day. Yeah. Okay. Then basically we did earn $85. So plus 85, 214. So yeah, so we made profit today also. But as you can see, be careful when you join. When you see this one. No, it's not available more. But the one we did trade first. Euro against Japanese yen. Let's see. Euro against this one. Yeah. And also you can see only pays 66%. It's very. That was the biggest mistake I did. I did trade one that is 66%. Because then when you martingale, you did see we did all these trades and we did earn so little. We actually did lose on one of the trades. A little, I think we lost like $20 or something. And when you see a trendy market, like when you see something like this is not tradable. But you did see we did manage to turn profit from it, even though a shitty market like this. But when you see something like this, just do this, close it. Do not trade it. And also try to trade things that have more than 78%. Better if you have a 90 and 85 or something good, because when you martingale, it's easier to get out of the trade in profit, right? So for example, here now, this would be a good entry right here now, because you can see to the left all over here that this is a point where you stop and the market go up. So this, if I started with this one, we would have another story today. Would not be all these losers, but by the way, we made, how much I told you again? We made $214 profit, by the way, even in a market that was shitty. So with that, have a perfect day.